Hi, welcome to ScavengerStory. Today I will be walking through with you the newest prototype. In the social gaming app, you will be following a storyline and travel through real-life locations to collect information and story of your environment. In Scavenger Stories, the content and the story writing will be contributed by its user. Here, you can expect to find original story writing from all over the world. You can also easily create your own hunt with official guide and templates. Now let's take a look at the app. So here you see the sign up screen. You can use Facebook or other social media to quickly sign up, and you can also use your email to sign up. But for demonstration, we'll just skip this step for now. And here is the homepage of ScavengerStory. And when you first open this app, there will be a pop-up from one of the game characters to give you a tutorial, but we'll be walking through this. So at the homepage, you can see on the top there is a search bar for you to search hunts by keywords, and you can also filter out and quickly explore the different type of stories based on its category up here. And in the play section, you will find all the current games, the games that you've downloaded, and the completed games. And in the social section, it will be your profile, your inboxes, your friends, and all the archives and photos you've taken during your hunts, so you can easily go back and look at them. And now let's try find a game to start to play. You can see there's a little skull here, and this is a horror game. And we click on that, there will be information about this game popping out. And then we click on this to preview the game details. And this is the game detail page. You can download and save the game to save data, and you can hard it to save it to your collection. And under the game information section, you can see the category and difficulties, and you can see the user ratings, and you can preview the game map right here. And in the game map, you can see the checkpoints and your routes, and the game characters that will be involved in this game. So now let's try to play this game. This is the story intro section. So this page will be an animated page with the background story, and you can choose to listen to it or you can just read through it. And here you get a basic sense of what type of story and character will be involved in this hunt. And here is the main interface for the game itself. So here the main character, Lovecraft, will be giving you a direction. And it says go to the first checkpoint and find the chest and unlock the next direction. So yes, this is our objective for now. And on the top you can see a progress bar and the game control center. So we'll be following the direction on the direction pad. We'll go ahead and head to our first checkpoint. So in the actual gameplay, you wouldn't have to click on the direction pad. You will be actually walking with your phone and following the direction. But for easy demonstration, I've set up the prototype to be clicking the direction pad. And we are making progress to our checkpoint. Ooh, we've got a pop-up saying, please help us. So this time limitation this character has challenged us to do will put a countdown our gameplay. So you can either ignore or click OK. So let's accept the challenge. And there will be a countdown right here. And we'll be hurrying to the first checkpoint. And now that we've arrived, let's click check in. Yay! So we've checked in at the first location, and at those locations all the players can leave a personal message or a comment at this place, and you will only be seeing those messages once you arrive at the checkpoint. So let's try to leave a message ourselves. And those purple dots are the player messages, and you can click here to type your messages. Let's take a look. Here is all the players' messages, and you can reply. And we'll be typing a message here. Send. And you will be getting a notification once someone replied to your messages in your profile section. And now let's continue game. So you've reached the first checkpoint and you're getting the next direction. The next direction is to save the trapped souls. You have to observe the buildings carefully and identify where they are. And here you've got some hints from the character. It says brick and iron confine my movement. And you will be using your cameras to carefully observe the building around you to find where this spot is. Okay, let's continue. So you open up your camera and you can zoom in and out, and you see, oh, here's some brick. And here is some irons. Maybe my character is here. So we zoom in and we did find him here. So let's take a picture of this. And this will prompt an artifact and some detailed information telling you why the brick and irons are significant in this building. Let's continue. So you've completed the basic pattern, like going to the checkpoint and find information about the environment. But you will be doing this for these two characters as well. And here you see there's a notification pops up in the game control center. You click on this. And under game menu, there is game summary, where you can find the story and basic information about the game. And there's also a task archive, where you can find the information you gathered and the photos you've taken. And you can refer back to them anytime during the game. So this is the first artifact that we collected. And you go back and you can quit your game for now, and you can come back to it anytime. And all your progress would be saved in the current game section with how many completion you had. So this is a very quick overview of the app, and I hope you liked it. And one thing before we finish the demonstration, I just want to show you the filter feature, where you can find a game that will suit your playstyle and your preference for the story. You can set the distance for how far the starting point will be, and you can pick the categories, and also you can enable and disable audios. Thank you for watching, and if you have any suggestions and feedback, please feel free to comment under the videos, and I would love to hear your guys' thoughts. Thanks.